Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
So, how are you doing, Chhaya?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I just finished a few sessions post lunch and
Yeah.
preparing for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Chhaya, did you find that better than saying I'm fine?
Yeah, I'm
Because
fine.
generally people would say, I'm fine, thank you for asking. How are you? And that sounds too cliche, too boring. This is
Yeah.
something that people have used a lot. In Marathi, we would say kiss padlai त्याचा.
Do you know Marathi?
I am from Mumbai.
Okay. I'm from Maharashtra also.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Pune.
Okay, I hope I guessed so. So till Monday I was in Pune. Since
Yeah.
Tuesday I am in Mumbai. Okay,
Okay.
so coming back to the topic, there are different ways in which you could respond to when somebody says, "How are you?" You could say, "I'm doing good. Just finished this task. Just
Yeah.
did this activity." Add a little bit more information so that the conversation becomes interesting. Look at look at this. I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing? It sounds so, at times
Little
I
bit
even find it
boring.
comic.
Yeah.
Boring. I am also, I find it a little bit comical. How about
Yeah.
saying, I'm doing well, I just finished a presentation at work? Or, pretty good, I spent my weekend visiting Pune and it was a great time. I'm a little bit busy, but excited about the thing that I'm doing. So, along with I'm fine or I'm doing well, I'm pretty good, I'm busy, adding a little bit more information
Yeah.
helps it make a better conversation.
Yeah. I'm doing well. It is
Yeah, I'm
good.
doing well, and adding something more to it.
Yeah.
I'm doing well, just finished a cup of tea. So I had this friend at Pune who makes something called as jirak. This he's
Syrup.
from, yes, he's from Sangamner, Ahmednagar, and they
Ah,
make something called as jirak.
I
It is
heard first time.
this is a Marathi dish. Yet I also heard it. I've eaten it a number of times, but I didn't know its name. So what do you do, Chaya?
I'm yoga teacher and now I'm taking online yoga classes.
Okay, that's great. In Pune itself.
Yes, in Pune at my home.
Okay, that's great. So, Chaya, have you been through today's topic?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So, the topic is a colorful world. Do you
Yeah.
think you would be able to talk about it comfortably?
Yeah, I will try.
Okay. So, when I say a colorful world, what is the image or what are the feelings that come to your mind instantly?
Um, colorful word means
Mhm.
mm, in the world there is different types of nature and different types of seasons.
There are
Like
different types of.
there are there are different types of seasons, different types of colors of trees, colors of sky and earth, color of
In the world, there are different types of.
there are different types of things like
Okay.
sky, earth, trees,
Okay.
soil.
Are you sitting in front of a window?
No.
Currently, are you sitting in? No. Isn't, is there a window around?
Yes,
Okay. Look or face towards that window and tell me how many colors do you see around yourself? Which
there are
colors
many.
rather? Which
There
colors
are
do you see
many.
around?
In my balcony, there are plant.
Okay. Which
It
color?
looks like green
Hmm.
color. There are some flowers. It is the red color.
There are some red
Mhm.
colored flowers.
Yeah.
Okay.
In front of my house, there is one building that is colorful only.
That building is also colorful.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the color of your
Um,
room? See it is white or cream or something like that.
yeah, it's pure white color.
Okay. There
All,
is some
all color is
painting or
white.
something.
Yes,
The
that
entire
is
room
a
is white, but there is something next to you on
that is
your
a
left. That is
what
a
can I say? Carpet. Not carpet. I
no,
don't
no,
know.
on the wall on your left.
Yeah, this is
This wall.
green or gray color something.
Okay. Is it a collection of pictures or is it a texture given to the wall?
No, it is a structure given to the wall.
Okay. Okay. And have you done it purposely, or it was there when you bought this flat, or you rented this flat, or something?
No, we what can I say?
Hmm.
I don't know the word.
We got it made.
Yes, we made that.
Okay. Okay. And what was the idea behind it?
Nothing. I just scrolling on phone and I saw on Flipkart. Then I liked that. Then I bought and made.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was scrolling through my phone when
Yeah.
I saw that. I bought it, and then
Oh, made it. Not made.
okay. So is it a wallpaper that you pasted,
Yeah.
or
Yeah. It is a wallpaper.
okay, okay, it's a wallpaper. Okay, okay. So other than that, there is no color in your room, is it?
And only white color is there. We
Why
don't
so?
painted our house.
Pardon?
We didn't paint our house.
Okay, but why? Generally, when people prefer to paint their houses with some color, right?
Yes.
So do you prefer to have a white house?
No, I like to colored house, but
Mhm.
my family members don't like, so that's why.
Okay, but is there any specific reason why you haven't got your house painted?
No.
No reason.
Mm.
Okay. So your room is white, and therefore, I would like to ask: is there a favorite color that you like?
Yes, I like black and white color,
Okay.
so that's why. And nothing like that, but I also like other colors, but black and white is my little bit favorite.
Of clothes do you have in black and white? And how many colorful pair of clothes do you have generally? Which is more, which
Uh,
is less?
Actually, I have uh, black and white more clothes
Hmm. Yes, because
than
that is
colorful
obviously
clothes.
because that is your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In
Which color do
in
you like?
I generally it keeps on changing. I
Yeah.
have currently I have green, a variety of green.
So I have one question. You are
Yes,
from
go ahead.
Maharashtra. So,
Pardon?
could you are from Maharashtra. So
Yes.
your English is good in school or you work on that.
I uh, I studied in an ICSE school in Mumbai, first of all. So that was
Okay. Okay.
one starting point. Then I never had friends in my own locality. So my friends were mostly my classmates. So
Okay.
we there we spoke in multiple languages. Like Hindi was the most common language that used to speak in. A
Yeah.
lot of my classmates were Gujarati. So Gujarati, was also a common language that they spoke with each other, and because we were used to it, we started understanding it. So I understood
Mm.
Gujarati. I never learned Gujarati. I never spoke Gujarati, but I could understand because a lot of people around us spoke Gujarati. Hindi was common because everywhere we heard Hindi
More.
more, sometimes even more than Marathi.
Yeah.
So that's how it happened. Then when I began to work, when I started working, I started with a five-star hotel. So here was this was a place where I met a lot of foreigners, a lot of guests, Indian guests also, but then they spoke mostly or preferred to speak in English.
English.
Then I worked at the Mumbai airport, both the domestic as well as the international terminals. Here again, a majority of people spoke English more than any other
Mm.
language. So that's how things have been changing for me.
Means you
So that's how.
uh, means you learn listen through listening only because of your surrounding.
Yes, I improved through listening because I was always surrounded by people. The environment was always a pro English environment. Though I have learned
Okay.
Marathi also in the same way, I have learned Hindi also in the same way. So
Okay.
a lot of I had a lot of Brahmin friends, Saraswat Brahmin friends when I was in college. So from them, I rather improved my Marathi because then we spoke in Marathi.
My mother tongue is Marathi. So
Mhm.
in my house everyone speak Marathi.
Yes, it is quite common. But then we have there are many places where we speak English. For example, at restaurants we can order using English. At
Yeah.
malls we can buy things using English. Those calls that we get, do you want to buy a loan? Do you want to buy a credit card? All those conversations can be had in English. We don't need to buy their products, but there is no harm in not talking to them. You can have a conversation with these people. This is a
Um,
free call, a free conversation. At least you need to pay at English Yaree to speak to somebody. But when somebody calls you to sell a credit card or a loan or maybe a resume service or a job service, you can talk to them in English. Plus, there are times when maybe one of your refrigerator is not working or the washing machine is not working, and you try to call for technical help. There also they say, right,
no,
Marathi
yes.
साठी दोन दाबा, English to press 3 to speak in English. At that
Yeah.
time, press 3 and speak in English. Nobody stops you.
Yes. No, in my case,
Hmm.
I am learning right now.
Okay.
Earlier, I was not good at in that. I know I was not good at in that language, but
Hmm.
I work on that little bit, and now I'm speaking not that much
Hmm.
good, but uh, yes, I'm speaking like this.
But that's how it is. Learn we learn to speak, even when we speak even when we learn to speak Marathi, it was by observing our surroundings. Whatever we got to hear from there, we learned.
Yeah.
So by regularly looking at people, watching how people spoke, the same way you learn English as well. You have to speak to others, see what they say, check how they pronounce particular words. Okay, so that's what I was saying. Listen to other people. Listen to maybe even YouTube videos, Netflix videos, or whatever English content that you get. Maybe even audiobooks would help you to learn to speak. Maybe you can listen maybe an audiobook for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and try repeating that content while the
Mm.
content is playing. You can also repeat it, speaking
It's
it
mean shadowing,
yourself. Yes,
shadowing
shadowing.
practice.
Yes, shadowing. That will also help you. What the audio does is it tells you this is how it is to be pronounced. Mm. You compare how you are speaking the same sentence and how that person inside the audiobook is speaking that same sentence. The pronunciation, the pauses, the tone, the speed, all that can be learned. You may not copy the voice, but the rest of it, the tone, the excitement, the energy, the pauses, the pronunciation, all that can be learned. Same can be done through a video also. When you are watching a video on YouTube, you
Yes,
can go
I'm
through it again and again and then start speaking along with it.
yeah, I'm
You will.
watching nowadays. I'm watching conversational videos of in
Hmm,
English podcast. Everything I watching.
I am watching.
Yes, I am watching.
I am watching podcasts, but then you also have to speak along with it.
Yeah.
So, Chaya, do you have any more questions for us today?
Yes, I want a feedback. And please,
Okay.
can you tell me what mistake I do, or for improving that, what should I do? Okay.
Mistakes that you make. One, your sentences are affected by translation. So, you are more into making a sentence first in Marathi and then translating it. So that has
Okay.
to change. Try thinking in English itself, which will become a habit when you start going through a lot of English content. The more
Yeah.
English content you go directly, not that will help you to start thinking in English. Maybe you can help yourself with subtitles. Subtitles will give you the exact sentence. Try reading those subtitles while you watch or while you listen. So audiobooks
Okay.
can be your first attempt to improve. Maybe videos can be the second attempt. First, try
Okay.
to speak along with an audiobook. While the audiobook is playing, go through it again and again, maybe three to four
It is
times. Just
available on Google audiobook.
should be. There are many audiobook platforms available.
Okay.
There are many audiobook apps available. You can buy a subscription, or if there is something free, you can take it for free and start practicing with it. So it's basically it will give you a text. You have to read
Okay.
that text loudly. So with
Yes.
you, there would be another voice reading that text as well. So your pronunciation, your speed, your the pauses that you take should match that person. This is
Okay.
what we call shadowing. The same